Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make two text boxes same size using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option and select here edit text down arrow and select text and click on your text box password and select and press Ctrl key for your keyboard and hold it. Select another one. Now select your arrange option. Here you will find this same size. Select same size and see these two text boxes now same size. Also I'll make this one and this one same size. Select arrange and select as same size and see this. In this way you can make two text boxes same size. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.